Solder all exposed copper strands of cold lead with the solder provided. Make certain that heat is sufficient to draw solder completely into the splice. Never scorch the insulator on the cold lead. When the splice has completely cooled, slide the heat shrink and center it over the splice. Use a broad soft flame torch or a hot air gun to heat around the diameter of the tube to warm and shrink it. Do not scorch the tube. The heat shrink is complete when adhesive oozes from between the tube and the cold lead.